Introducing SkyVac, the all-new portable gutter cleaning system. SkyVac clears gutters all from the safety of the ground. No need for ladders, scaffolding or cherry pickers. SkyVac is a very powerful wet and dry vacuum which combines super strong, super lightweight carbon fibre poles. With the addition of SkyCam, an inspection camera with monitor ensures pinpoint cleaning. Each pole is 1.5 metres long and can reach up to 4 stories high, even over awkward obstacles like conservatories. See how effective it is. Listen to the suction power. SkyVac can clean wet or dry gutters and remove any strange articles such as tennis balls, and has enough suction power to lift the heaviest organic growth. SkyVac is not just for external cleaning, it is just as effective for internal cleaning. Important cleaning when it comes to high-level smoke alarms or security cameras. With a huge range of end tools for any application. With our help, you could make a standalone business or bolt onto an existing cleaning business. There are 3 sizes of SkyVac and a choice of pole lengths available. SkyVac.